Hey everyone, in this video I'll be unboxing the Samsung Galaxy Watch 3. So I bought this from Kogan.com and this was priced around $425. I bought this last Friday and now today is Wednesday, so it just arrived today. So let's go ahead and unbox in this video. So before we unbox the Galaxy Watch 3, let's just take a look around the box. So as you can see, I have the Mystic Silver color. This is also available in Mystic Bronze. Bottom here we have Watch 3. And on the side there's nothing, but it just says 41mm small. And on this side it just says Samsung Galaxy Watch 3. And on the back I have the Samsung Galaxy Watch 3, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi and GPS. So this is just the Bluetooth version. This is also available in the LTE version. And it just tells you the specifications about the watch. Alright, so as you can see there are two tapes that we need to cut off. So let's go ahead and do that. So here is the Galaxy Watch. And the bands are already on the watch. So before we go ahead and take a look at that, let's see what we get inside here. So on this side we have the quick start guide along with the warranty card, and on this side we have the Galaxy Watch charger. So this uses a magnetic charger to charge the device, so you can just easily lay it on here and it'll start charging. And that's all in the box. So here is a close-up view of the Galaxy Watch 3. So this is the Mystic Silver version. So as you can see, it has a nice chrome stainless steel around the side, and this is the rotational ring, and that's just more of the inside or around the edge of the ring. So as you can see, it displays the numbers. And as you can see on the side we have the back key, and the bottom we have the home key. And this is just more of the side view of the Galaxy Watch. So it looks really nice. Very shiny finish to it. And here's the top view of the Galaxy Watch. I'm not sure what that is. I think that's a microphone, I believe. And this is the other side view. And here's just a closer look at the leather band. So premium genuine leather. And there's the other side. And here is this side as well. So this is the 20mm version. And here's just the back of the Galaxy Watch. It is very shiny, as you can see. As you can kind of see, I don't know if you can see, but on the top it says Samsung Galaxy Watch. That's very reflective, so yeah, kind of hard to see the text. Oh, there you go. And that's just the text around the bottom. I think it's just specifying or just outlining different specifications about the Galaxy Watch. So I just recently charged the watch up, so let's go ahead and power this on. Alright, so as you can see, as I booted up the Galaxy Watch, it has my phone has detected that there is the Galaxy Watch nearby. So let's go ahead and add now. So it's taken me right into the Galaxy Wearable app. So let's go ahead and connect. And as you can hear, it's made a buzzing noise. So let's tap to connect. So congrats on your new Galaxy Watch 3. Just hit agree, okay. We'll just check this. Next. Skip for now. And there you go. So now the Galaxy Watch has synced and paired with my Galaxy phone. Alright, so now I'm just going to quickly show you the OS and how to navigate the watch, which is really easy and simple. So as you can see, this is running the latest Tizen version 5.5 or Samsung Watch One UI 2.0. So this is Samsung's proprietary software made specifically for the Galaxy Watches. So as you can see, we have a rotating bezel on the front here, and this can be turned really easy, and this is what you're going to use to navigate around the Galaxy Watch. Here we got the back button and we got the home button, so very similar function to if you ever used an Android device. So if you rotate all the way to the left, you'll get your notifications. So all your notifications that appears on your phone will appear on your Galaxy Watch. So that's if you rotate all the way to the left, and all the way to the right is all your Galaxy Watch widgets. So as you can see, I've got some widgets that I've customized, and these are customizable, so you can change these around and delete them from your widget screen if you don't want them. And all the way to the end, I've added this app selection here. So if I click on this, this is all my apps that I've got on my Galaxy Watch. So I've installed some extra or third-party Galaxy Watch apps on my watch. So there's all my apps. And also another thing is, if you pull this down from the top of the Galaxy Watch, you get this basically this quick settings toggle. So all your setting features and shortcuts will appear on top of here, and you can add more simply by holding, and then you can see this minus button. Obviously I don't have the add button because I've added all the shortcuts, but you'll have this add plus button, and you can add or delete any quick settings in the panel. So now let's just look at the Galaxy Watch app on the phone. So here I have the S21 Ultra, and this is connected to my Galaxy Watch. And in order to view this, you do need the Galaxy Wearable app if you're on the Samsung or Android device. But everything, as you can see, it's all synced via Bluetooth. So all my notifications from my Android device will appear on my Galaxy Watch. But I'll quickly just navigate you what's on here. So we got the notifications, so pretty much all the notifications will display on here. The apps, so here you can manage the apps, so you can reorder the apps, you can change the layout, and you can also auto open apps. Here we have the widgets section, so this is where you can customize the widgets for this. So if you rotate on the right hand side, you can see all my widgets here, but if you want to make it a bit easier, you can actually customize it all on the app. So as you can see, here are all the other widget apps that I haven't added, but and here are the widgets that I've got on my Galaxy Watch at the moment, and you can move these around and delete them if you want. So here in sound vibration, so you can very similar to the Android, you can turn on the sound, vibrate or mute. You can set it on different ringtones. There's also vibration and vibration intensity as well. And here we have the display, so you can turn on auto brightness, screen timeout. You can have the different background style, so it will change. It's almost like a little wallpaper. Also show you charging info. Advanced, so we got the double press and press and hold, so you can customize the buttons on these sides. Screen wake up, so different options and settings for that, and also control notification settings, so good night mode, theater mode, do not disturb, etc. You can also add content, so if you want to play or pretty much view images from your Galaxy Watch without having to need your phone, you can do it directly from the Galaxy Watch. SOS, so this features detection fall, so if you do for whatever reason suddenly fall, this will activate an emergency call. You also have Find My Watch, so this can locate the Galaxy Watch, so if you do lose it, you can enable this feature. General, so Samsung default, keyboard settings, languages, etc. Accessibility, so you got all that. There's also Bixby, which I will probably not touch. We also got account and backup, so this is synced via my account, so all my accounts and all my backups I can back up to my account, and if I want to ever restore, I can do that. Sync phone, so there's sync do not disturb and sync Wi-Fi directly from my phone to my Galaxy Watch. We got the Galaxy Watch software update, tips and user manual, labs, so that's just extra things that are, I guess, in beta, and about watch. So you can do a lot of customizing with your Galaxy Watch, and this is one of the great things about the Galaxy Watch is there's a whole heap of Galaxy Watch faces that you can choose from. You can also go to the Galaxy Store if you want to download more, but I'll show you how customizable it is. I mean, you can go really deep into it. I mean, you can customize literally everything, like the colors. There's also some pre-made ones, the complications, which is these little areas that show you extra information. You can customize that. I mean, there's so much customization you can do and choose, and that's what's really good about these Galaxy Watches, that you can you're not just limited to what they give you. There's so much more that you can download as well. And the Discover page this is just like a Galaxy Watch app store, so any third-party apps you can install right into your Galaxy Watch. So in this instance, I've had to install Spotify because I use that all the time. So that's a third-party app that I had to install on my phone. So that's been it. That's the unboxing and first quick look at the Samsung Galaxy Watch 3 41mm Mystic Silver Edition. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching.